Hello everyone and welcome to your 10th Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, Previewing and Editing Clips Part 1. In this tutorial, we will learn how to preview our clips, our media, how to edit them, how to navigate through them, how to add them to our sequence, and how to cut and edit them. So let's start. In order to start working on the clips, we need to import some media files. We can import them using the media browser that we learned in the previous tutorials. For the purpose of this tutorial, I have already imported two media, the video 1 and the video 2. So these two are the videos that I have imported. In order to view the video in our source window, just double click on a video and it will show up in our source window. If you need to work on a particular footage and you need more space, just expand the windows for the time you are working, and then it will help you do your work more properly and clearly. So let's start. In order to navigate through the clip, after we double click on the clip, here on the icon, it gets added in the source window. We can view it and move through it by pressing the play button. Just like that. We can move in real time by pressing the play button. We can move frame by frame by pressing the step back left and the step forward right buttons. As you can see, it moves frame by frame. If you need to navigate more, you can just left click on this jog area and then move your mouse left and right to play the video in left or right direction simultaneously. This can be used for fast preview or fast accessing of the point you are searching for. The button over here is the save margins. Now this save margins, when you click, this shows the action and title save areas. The outer box is the action save and the inner box is the title save area. You can select the size of the video that you are viewing by fit. That means it will fit to the size of the window. 10%, 200% of its original size, 200% double of its original size, 400% the 4 times. This will fit into the window as we expand it. This is the timeline for the video itself. So if you move the cursor here, you can also navigate through the video using this. If you want to know how long is the video, this displays the current time. This displays the total time of the video, and the time over here is the time where our CTI, the current time indicator of this panel, is. As you can see, if I move this, the time changes. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.